My name is Preetam Chakraborty. I am training software engineer at PCS Global Pvt Limited. And now I doing training from PCS Global. I learned many things like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Core Java, Angular, Spring Boot. The trainer are very highly trained and the class very helpful. And in this video we will talk about Spring Boot. Now before going for Spring Boot, try to understand what is Spring Framework and what is the framework. Now to understand, just go to in that. So if you want to create a project at Java for enterprise, you will be using lot of Java EE features. Now one of them in EJP. EJP framework one of the. It was one of best technology available at these times, and you can actually run off features highly. So write messaging them, look up for the entities. The only problem is become difficult manage them, and then after for you are what working for institute. So that way in this cell there with the concept of POJOs, you can achieve the same features with the help of POJO, and they have included them in Spring Framework. Spring Framework provide you this feature to working with POJOs. It's provide your features dependency in injection, and you can work with EOP. So there are so many features provided by Spring Framework. So we come after framework where you can achieve any business purpose, and the best part of Spring Framework, it can integrate with other framework as well, like Evernote and Store. When I do Spring Boot is to give you a production ready application. So moment you put a Spring Boot project, you don't have to do any configuration. It is enable, and you can try to on the special service. It will do nothing but it will work on spanner to go any configuration, and the more features you are you can add some features, and for those features you can do from small configuration, and all the basic configuration will be done by Spring Boot. Now there are more things. Let's say we are lot on Spring Boot. We working with normal Spring projects, and we want to make web application and need to deploy it application. Work you build a web, of course, I need a server, maybe a virtual server or the cloud server. You will be install a app serving. It will be needed like on the Tomcat. We will be deploying war file which you create for web application. So many layer, right? Nowadays we are moving toward microservices, and we want to make it bit easier for us. Thank you.